personal treasure. So I'm excited to be sharing them with you guys tonight. The first of which is called Cage Bird. And it goes a little something like this. The free bird leaps on the back of the wind and floats downstream till the current ends, and dips his wings in the sun's orange ray, and dares to claim the sky. But the bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage. His wings are clipped, his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The cage bird sings with the fearful trill of the things unknown, but longed for still. And his song is heard on the distant hill, for the cage bird sings of freedom. Now the free bird dreams of a new breeze, or the trade wind soft through the sighing trees, or the fat worms on a dawn bright lawn, and dares to claim the sky. But the cage bird stands on the grave of dreams, and his shadow screeches a nightmare scream. His wings are clipped, his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The cage bird sings with a fearful trill of the things unknown, yet longed for still. And his song is heard on the distant hill, for the cage bird sings of freedom. Now the second poem I'll share with you tonight, I dedicate to all of you who have a struggle, and all of us have a struggle. But this is dedicated to those who, despite the struggle, rise up. Because if there's not a trial, there can be no triumph. If there's not a contest, there can be no victor. So this is for all of you with dreams who dare to rise up. You may write me down in history with your twisted, bitter lies. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still like dust, I rise. Does my sassiness upset you? Why are you beset with gloom? Because I walk like I've got oil wells pumping in my living room. Just like the moon and like suns with the certainty of tide. Just like hope rising up, still I rise. Does my haughtiness offend you? Don't take it awful hard that I laugh like I've got gold mines digging in my own backyard. Did you want to see me broken? Head down, lowered eyes, shoulders falling down like teardrops, weakened by my soulful cries. You may cut me with your hatefulness. You may shoot me with your eyes. You may kill me with your words. But still like air, I rise. Does my sexiness offend you? Does it come as a surprise that I can dance like I've got diamonds at the meeting of my thighs? Out of the huts of history's shame, out from a past that is rooted in pain, I rise, bearing the gifts that my ancestors gave. I am a black ocean, welling and swelling. I bring in the tide, for I rise. I am the hope and the dream of a slave. So naturally, I rise. I rise. I rise. Woo! Thank you very much, everyone.
There's this continuous pattern of me following great acts